Hello student, today we are going to know some important formula related to torsion of circular shaft under strength of materials. This formula will be very helpful to solve any problem on torsion of circular shaft. Number 1, for torsion, shear strength phi equal to r theta by L, where theta equal to angle of twist in radian, r equal to radius of the shaft in meter, L equal to length of shaft in meter. Now, number 2, torsion equation T by IP equal to Fs by R equal to g theta by L. This is the general equation of torsion. Here T equal to T max, maximum torque transmitted by shaft in Newton meter, IP equal to polar moment of inertia in meter to the power 4, Fs equal to shear stress induced in shaft material in Newton meter square, Newton per meter square, G equal to modulus of rigidity in Newton per meter square. Okay. Now, considering strength, that means consideration of shear stress, we get T by IP equal to Fs by R, T equal to maximum torque transmitted by shaft in Newton meter, IP equal to polar moment of inertia in meter to the power 4, Fs shear stress induced in shaft material in Newton meter square, R equal to radius of the shaft. Now, considering rigidity, that means considering angle of twist, we get T by IP equal to g theta by L. Here theta equal to angle of twist in radian, L equal to length of shaft in meter, T maximum torque transmitted by shaft in Newton meter. This is number 1 equation. This is number 2 equation. Considering strength, we find out diameter of the shaft. Considering rigidity, we find out diameter of the shaft. Now, suitable diameter for the shaft must be larger value of D comparing the value obtained from equation 1 and equation 2. Here, this maximum torque that can be safely applied on shaft material is the maximum of two values. Maximum value obtained from two equations. We take maximum diameter of the shaft. Okay. Now, for solid shaft, IP, polar moment of inertia, IP equal to pi by 32 d to the power 4, where d equal to diameter of solid shaft in meter. Now, number 4, for hollow shaft, polar moment of inertia, IP. IP is the polar moment of inertia for hollow shaft, equal to pi by 32 capital D to the power 4 minus small d to the power 4, where capital D equal to external diameter of shaft in meter, small d equal to internal diameter of shaft in meter. Okay. Now, number 5, power transmitted by the shaft. Power P equal to 2 pi n T average by 60 into 1000 kilowatt. Here n equal to RPM of the shaft, revolution per minute of the shaft. If no mention on problem, we take T max equal to T average. Otherwise, we can take T max equal to 1.25 T average or T max equal to 1.20 T average. Now, we know in old practice was to express power in horsepower unit. In this case, 1 horsepower equal to 0.736  736 kilowatt. Okay, 1 HP equal to 0.736 kilowatt. Okay, now number 6, for solid shaft, torque transmitted by solid shaft T. Here T means T max, maximum torque transmitted by shaft, equal to pi by 16 capital D to the power 4 into Fs. Capital D equal to diameter of the solid shaft in meter. Fs equal to induced shear stress in Newton per meter square. Okay. Now number 7, for hollow shaft, here also T equal to T max. That means here torque is maximum torque. Maximum torque transmitted by shaft equal to pi by 16 capital D to the power 4 minus small d to the power 4, capital D to the power 4 minus small d to the power 4 by capital D into Fs. Capital D equal to external diameter of shaft in meter, small d equal to internal diameter of the shaft. Fs means shear stress induced in Newton per meter square. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.